Hello friends, welcome to my channel and here I tell you how can you make an Amazon EC2 instance or launching your server. First of all you need to making an account on AWS. If now I tell you directly okay, after making an account you need to directly visiting your Amazon development console just like that. Okay, so this is my development console and here I visit just like the EC2 instance. You can create your own IAM user here, or otherwise you can directly make your instance your using your root account. Okay, so now visit EC2 instance here just like that. Okay. Okay, or you can also choose any one reason, just kind of the reason you want to make. So I make an for North Virginia region. So now start. Now the simple step is okay. So I have zero instance running here. Now for making an instance, you first of all need to visiting the marketplace of. Okay, so just like the loan instance. Okay, now after that you see the marketplace of Amazon machine AMI. So you can choose your Amazon Linux AMI, or if you want to make an WordPress instance, so you can search just like okay, sorry, visit marketplace, then after search. Okay, you can see there WordPress certified Bitnami, or just like a multi-site certified Bitnami. So all these softwares are free of cost, and you can see the instruction here just like that every WordPress. Or you want to also make an instance of like Durable, like Joomla, etc type, you can make and search from here just like that. Okay, so you can see there, but I want to make an instance of WordPress, so I just search here WordPress. Okay, so now you can see there okay, so I choose this one. This is the latest version, or you can see there everything is better. And because I don't want to make a multi-site certified by Udemy, so I started with this one. Okay, you can see the prices, so you can make an instance just like that. You can see every type of instance. So I just want to with free tires, so without any cost. Okay, so you can see there the free trial eligible, this one, because we want to make a free tire based instance, we just not want to make here. So now after that, now number of instance, you can see there everything is perfect. And okay, so everything just same is remain same thing just like you can see there. Now after all, add storage, so we just want to make an 10 GB size SSD. You can also make here 30 GB, but we just start from initial point. And after, if we need increase in our SSD, then we can increase. If you directly use it 30 GB, but then you cannot decrease the instance in the low size. So thereby that's why we use that start with 10 GB. Okay, so after that you need to adding tag just like that. You means add a tag just like your name instance, just like just let me I see the name. Any type of name you can add here just like tag. Now after all, okay, now next security group. Here the most important thing, and you can just the most important thing, for instance, you need to set up remaining the same, but this one you can configure with your IP, and you if you does not want to configure with IP, so you can directly just remain same, just like you can see there. After doing all the things, okay, now you make a new, okay, so now review and launch, okay. Okay, after that now we are ready to go. Now there's one, okay, this is the most important key pair. If you want to access your instance using SSH like the PuTTY or other methods, you need a key pair. So create a key pair, new key pair, okay. So naming the key pair, just like name just like I naming it just like WordPress, okay. So now after naming, you need to download this key pair. So download this one, just like that, okay, download. So you can see that. Now after all, launch the instance, okay. So just now you are ready to go. Okay, you are ready to go now. Your instance is ready to go, and your instance, okay, and this is right now in pending state, but it's ready to go, no problem. And you can see the IP address of the public IP and the type of IP here. So after all, and there are lots of things available here, just like a snapshot. If you want to make a snapshot for your instance, you can make there, and security group and elastic IP, everything is there, and elastic load balancer, target groups, etc. So everything I explain in my next video, but for that I only explain you how can you make an instance. You can make your own instance without WordPress, and also, so now our instance is now running mode, and you can get the state, just like you can terminate. So you can terminate from here, reboot, stop. Or if you want to the log, so you can, there's the system log. The system log actually give you information about your instance. I think is not properly instance, okay. Now in the initializing, okay, so our instance is initialized. Okay, now I tell you about system log. Okay, the system log just look like that, okay. So here you can get your WordPress password from there, just like you can see there, and your password is from, and here your password, where is your password, this one. So yeah, sorry, okay. So just like the username with user and the password. So by using there, you can get everything and make your instance. And for checking your website is running or not, use this one, okay. Or if you want to change this IP address, so then you can use an elastic IPs for associating this elastic IP address with your IP. So by the all other things you can see in next video, okay. So now waiting for my next video, and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos, updates or notification. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.